Die casting is a great business to be in. Therefore, the next event which no one should miss is the NETCA Die Casting Congress and Exhibition held October 4 to 6 in Indianapolis. We from YIZUMI are very proud to participate in this important event. Expanding globally, YIZUMI Die Casting has worked intensively with the international team of engineering experts aiming at offering competitive die casting solutions for our customers worldwide. The results of these efforts will be shown in the upcoming exhibition with YIZUMI H2 and H+ die casting machines, offering highly stable and high-performing casting conditions for any component. In addition, we are also showing our newly developed LEAP die casting machine technology with its innovative hydraulic drive system, state-of-the-art injection control and world-class HMI. Our YIZUMI-HPM team will be pleased to discuss with you how we provide adequate after-sales service to our customers in the US, as well as what solutions we have in store for you with our magnesium Dixer molding machines. Looking forward to seeing you in Indianapolis.